for monopolistically competitive firm. But since there are many firms in the market, right? So each person is basically work hard to sell extra unit, and that extra cost that you incurred to sell extra unit will compensate to their implicit cost. So that's why economic profit is equal to zero, but there must be accounting profit. All right. So we call this markup over MC. Now the question arises, we just answered that question as well. Is outcome of monopolistically competitive firm is desirable by the whole society? Remember, perfectly competitive firm, both firm and both producers and buyers, they are happy, right? Because demand is equal to supply. So this is demand curve, MC is supply curve. So we are producing where demand curves the supply on equilibrium. But here, where we are producing less than the equilibrium, which means the producer is charging higher price. So there is artificial shortage here. So some customers, they are left behind, they are not getting the product they could afford because their willingness is positive and their ability is still there. That create demand, but they are not getting the product because price is high. At that higher price, their willingness becomes negative. All right. So monopolistically competitive firm does not have all the desirable properties of perfect competition. So that's why the monopolistically competitive firm is not desirable by the society. So there must be a normal deadweight loss of the monopoly pricing in monopolistically competitive firm. So remember the pricing policy, price greater than MC, that is the same in monopoly as well. All right. So don't get confused. Because firms are earning zero economic profit, all the firms are earning zero economic profit. If the government intervene and decrease the price is equal to MC. So price already in long run price is equal to every total cost. But if government say no, charge the price MC. So it means you need to lower the price ATC. So this causes large firms to exit the market. So it means government should do nothing. If government does this kind of stuff, what will happen? There would be more shortage in the market. Why? Because existing firms, they can, when they see that government imposes the condition price is equal to MC, which is for the perfect competition characteristics. In that case, this exit condition activate because already in the market price is equal to every total cost. So when the price is equal to MC by the government, so exit condition activated, and many of the firms, they will exit the market, creating more chaos, more shortage in the firm, in the market. So in that case, it is not desirable by the society because there will be more shortage. Second, what if the government provides subsidies? If government provides subsidies are not free lunch, they are coming from increased taxes. So if this is a car market, so there are small number of people who are buying cars, and now in order to support them, government increases taxes. So those who are not buying cars, they are also paying the taxes to, to fulfill the deadweight loss created by the car company over there. So in that case, all the society is suffered. So it is better to live with this inefficiency. So only those suffer who are the customer of that particular product, not the whole economy. So if the government does anything and it's not free, it has to compensate it with the taxes. So taxes are not desirable by the society. So because firms are already earning zero economic profit, lowering price may cause losses, and government has to provide subsidies which are increasing in tax. So ultimately government should do nothing and live with this normal deadweight loss, because if government interfere, the loss gonna spread to whole society and loss burden gonna be increased. So it's better to live with the inefficiency of monopolistically competitive firm rather eradicating it. All right, understand? Nana, Marco, Oliver, Priscilla,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Havarun, Lancelot.
Yes.
Okay. So another way to understand monopoly is that the monopolistically competitive firm is that it may not it that it may be socially inefficient, that the number of firms in the market may not be ideal one, so there may be too much or too little. So one way of thinking this problem as externalities. So we have a whole chapter on externalities, but just to understand here, I think we won't discuss it. That is not the part of our course, but just to understand that. So whenever a firm wants to enter the market, when a new firm enter the market, what will happen? It will come with a new product. So that is a good sign, because existing customers, they will have more variety of products. So we call this product variety externalities. All right. So because customers get some consumer surplus from the introduction of new product, entry of a new firm conveys a positive externality on consumers. So if I am buying this mouse and a new company enter the market and saying it is a wireless mouse without any connectivity, just you can connect it with the Bluetooth and that's it. You don't need to have occupy external or extra, your USB port. So I would be very thrilled and happy, because my now USB devices, my USB places are now free. I can use two USBs on my laptop, because whenever I use my mouse, one slot is always occupied with the connectivity issue. So that is a positive externality, because a new product, new innovation comes, and I would be happy. The second externality is the opposite one, that is because new firm enter the market with new product. So because other firms lose customers and profits from entry of the new competitor, the entry of a new firm imposes a negative externality on existing firms. So what will happen? Maybe the other company's customer, they will, because they are fighting for the same group of customers. If a new firm come, one positive thing is it comes with new product, new innovative product, new invention, nothing, something new. And in order to attract customers, it steal customers or it fight for the market share for existing firms. So their market share start declining and its market share start increasing. So that is called the business stealing externalities. So in that case, it is beneficial it benefits the customer as well, because we saw that they are charging price greater than MC. So it means some customers are not happy with the production, because there is some kind of shortage and price is above the marginal cost. So by lowering the price, what will happen? Their price would be less than every total cost and they start exiting. So government should do nothing. So instead, government should promote new innovations so that new firms will come. It offers its product, like high quality product, unique product with more features at less price. so that it steals the customer of existing firms. In that case, the firms remain competitive and they will not increase the price, exponentially. All right. But plus customers will be getting more value, more surplus by product variety. Guys, you understand? Oliver, Marco?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So both externalities are related. I just explained that. The product variety externalities arises because new firms will offer product differentiation from those of existing firms. The business stealing externality arises because new firms causes reduction in existing firms' profit. So in perfect competition, there is identical product and price is equal to MC. So there is no externalities. So in perfect competition, everyone is offering the same product without any color, without anything else. So there is no externalities over there. So because of this unique product, because not two products are similar, we have a unique feature of monopolistically competitive firm, that is advertiser. All right. Sorry guys, we will not take break, and we will cover it early because I'm not feeling well. We try to cover it. Okay. Okay. So because we have many suppliers and product is not, identical, product is unique. So everyone and firms are battling or fighting for the same group of customers, for the same market. So in that case, they need to advertise in the market about their uniqueness. So you have seen different ads, okay? For example, shampoo ads, for example, soap ads, okay? This soap has chia butter, this soap has olive inside, this has, kochic acid or something, this soap will, make your skin smooth, this has goat milk, this has butter and blah, 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 right? So how customer will know that this product is different? Through advertisement. All right. So it is almost impossible to go through a typical day without being bombarded with advertising. Such natural behavior is